Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Concept of Shorthand classes. Yesterday, in the previous class, we have known about the small circle S. Now, in this class, we will learn about large circle, which sounds swa and ses or z. SZ. Okay, you see the page number 39, chapter large circle swa and ses or SZ. You see page para number 49. In that, you see here in the last class, seat, SEAT is seat. We wrote like this, circlus T. Circlus is written in the left motion. Now, a sweet. If this small circle, instead of small circle, if we write the large circle in the same motion as that of small circle, represents W in additional. The sweet. This is small circle. If you use, it represents the sound of S. Here, a swa, double consonant. Like that, sum is there. Some circles M on the line, it is sum. If this circle, instead of circles, if you write a large circle, it represents the sound of a swam. This is the difference between, just a difference between small circle S and large circle swa. So, in para number 49 of this chapter, it is mentioned as a large circle initially written with the same motion as the circle S represents the double consonant swa. This is S, one consonant, W, another consonant, both are double consonant. Initially means seat, sweet. In this para 49, it is also mentioned that as a vowel cannot be written to a circle, can we write vowel to the circle? Circle is having no places, first, second, third places are not there, and hence we can't place vowel signs to the circle. Since a vowel cannot be written to a circle, the stroke W must be written in words like sway is there, sway, SWAY, sway. And we have to put this vowel A. Where we will put, if we write this large circle, where we can put this vowel? We can't. That's why full stroke is to be written, so as to enable to place the vowel sign like that, persuasive. Right? Don't forget that swa circle means large circle is used initially only for the sound of swa. Para number 50. A large medial or final circle represents the sound of ses with the intervening vowel A. What is the meaning of intervening vowel? A vowel comes between two strokes is called intervening vowel. You see here, ses is there. A is coming in between S. Like that, SZ is there. In between SZ, A is coming. This is the intervening vowel. Why he is telling this? Because we are not, there is no necessity to put vowel sign for this sound of A while writing the outlines. For example, here necessity is there. Necessity, NECESSITY. There, how many vowels will come? A, second A, third E, fourth E. But while writing the outline, we will write the vowels only 1, 2, 3 only. What will be the fourth vowel? Fourth vowel is implied here. Fourth vowel is implied here by necessity, says, like this. This is implied. It is not necessary of writing this vowel. Like that, passes, P-A-S-S-E-S, passes. There, how many vowels are there? Ya and A. A is coming between S and Z. This A need not be placed in the outline. Only one vowel Ya is placed here. This is implied. That he is telling here with the intervening vowel A. If other than A comes, separate instructions are there, we will tell. Okay. Here, having light or heavy sound. SS, light sound. SZ, heavy sound. When a vowel other than A intervenes between two strokes, that is SS or SZ, it is indicated by placing the said vowel sign within the circle. Example, exist is there, exist, exist. Here, how many vowels are there? A is one vowel. Between S and S, E is coming, other than A. E is other than A. That's why, what is the vowel to be written for E dot vowel? The dot vowel may be inserted within the circle. Exist, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 here, 1 and 2, exist. Exercise, exercise. Here, three vowels are there. A, second A, this is diphthong, I. So, this I between S and Z, this diphthong is coming. Other than, this is other than A. That's why we have to indicate this I within the circle. Exercise. Like that, exercised. We can put circles to this large circle also. If we put like this, exercises, like this, exercises. Okay? Plurals and possessives. Possessive means derivatives. Root word, what outline is there in the root word, it is to be retained. You see, of course, this is a singular number. This is Lucy. Lucy's, circles. We will put stroke S and then circles. Policy, singular number. For plural, we can just add circles. That's all. Like that, jealousy, jealousies. Okay. Next, in some words, for making distinction, we will write somewhere stroke S circles and somewhere the large circle. For example, you see possess, P-O-S-S-E-S, possess. P circles, stroke S we have to write. But whereas passes, pronunciation of these two words is somewhat nearer. That's why to distinguish between these two words, we have to write possess, P-O-S-S-E-S, we have to write P circles stroke S. Here P says circle. Like that, axis, we have to write K circles stroke S, we have to write same axis. K says circle, intervening dot E. Like that, races. Here you can clearly know the difference. Races and races, pronunciation is one and the same. Here, but R-E-C-E-S-S, we have to write stroke ray, stroke S, circles, whereas R-A-C-E-S we can write with ray, circle. This large circle can also be employed in phaseography, as in the words as we can, as we have, as we can. You see, as we, here SW, this is swa circle. This is swa circle, as we have, as we can, like that. As W, this is swa, as W, as well, as well as. Also says, in this city, N, says circle represents yes, here this is S. In this city, this is Thi, yes, is gramalog. Circles, small circle, small circle, big circle, this is. Like that, as is above the line, swa circle above the line, as is, as has. Swa circle on the line, is, as, is. These are the words used in phraseography. And you may also see the page number 118 and 190, advanced phraseography. There also this swa circle is employed there in advanced phraseography also. Now grammalogs. If N is employed above the line, it is in any. If N is placed below the line, or. Downward R on the line, your. Downward R through the line, ear. Ray on the line, or. Ray through the line, hover. If large circle is attached to this ray through the line, ourselves. The circle, themselves. I hope you have understood this chapter well. You are advised to practice all the exercises, all the 4 exercises in this, so that tomorrow I will give dictation. If you like my video, please share to your friends and also subscribe my channel. Also give a like to this video also.